Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best plastic surgery leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So today we're going to go to Miami, and since Miami is pretty big, we're just going to increase the radius here to about 30. I know there's probably not a lot of businesses in this area over here, but we want to try to encompass this area, so I'm going to do about 30. And I'm going to add that. Hit next to lock it in. We are looking for plastic surgeons. And the reason I'm picking Miami today is I just feel like it's people there are, it's trendy to have the plastic surgery look. So that's why we're going with Miami. And I just feel like a lot of people get it done there, or there's like clinics that a lot of people just get it done there. So I'm gonna hit add to lock that in, hit next. We are targeting owners and founders and directors and executives. We are just targeting the owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, that'll cover for that. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. We're gonna go to filters, and we're gonna do review, and I'm just gonna set the review score between a 3 or a 5, kind of my golden filter. And the reason between a 3 or a 5 is that you want to work with businesses whose customers and clients, have a good reception of that business. And setting between a 3 and a 5, the benefit to you just guarantees that you're going to be working with a respected business. So I'm going to hit next, lock that in. We're going to add another filter today, and I want Google search position. And I want this between a 6 and a 15. And I don't want higher than 15 because those companies clearly just do not care about SEO and digital presence. And I don't want higher than a 6 because those companies usually are already working with, the best marketers, especially in a metropolitan area like Miami, where this industry is so competitive. These would be the best clinics in the world, right? So I don't know, of 1 to 5, these companies are definitely already working with marketers to get there. They're just they're at the top of their food chain in their demographics, right? And even if you do get a chance to work with them, they're usually going to be quite a bit harder to deal with. They're going to be a bit firmer because they know what's right, what took them to this level. So I don't know, 6 and a 5 companies between 6 and a 15 are a good place to work with. So I'm gonna hit next, lock that in. We're gonna go to our deliver. And I'm honestly just gonna select all of these. A lot of great metrics here for figuring out who you want to work with. A couple to point out would be revenue, search position, the social media metrics, just to get a sense on their social media presence, the Google metrics, again, for marketing insights. So I'm going to hit next, lock that in, finish up. We are going to set the title to plastic surgery in Miami, set the context required to 100. And we are going to save this draft in case I launch it. I'm going to go back and change something. I'm not starting from scratch, which I'm going to launch. And now we're back out in our task overview. As you can see, it's allocating. And yeah, if once it's allocating, it just means that it'll take 24 hours to get your lead sheet. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. And that's how you find the best plastic surgery leads using Coldlytics. I'll see you guys in the next one.